why we choose this name. So here's let me introduce you to this topic. The access to clean water and sanitation is crucial for human well-being, and sustainable development. However, 2.2 billion people lack safely managed drinking water and 4.2 billion lack environmental degradation. Investing in infrastructure and sustainable management. So, this can help address these challenges and promote truly health and sustainability. For that reason, we have the idea to create a filter of water that will help people in managing these waste. But after mentioning that, we will start with the question: what is the problem or challenge that we see providers? So it was decided as a team to choose this name because water is very fundamental in the human being, as well in all living beings. And that in addition, we are the same human beings because all these damage when throwing waste to the water waste that we don't use. So this is unhealthy to beaches or seas, causing them to pollute one of totally necessary sources of life, such as water, which is what we are talking about. Our team has decided to carry out a prototype that will carry out the task of being able to clean water in the beaches and seas. The prototype will be a water purifier, like I mentioned, and this will help the water to get clean and not to be risky or not be able to consume, and enjoy a good quality of life to all humans. What impact will the project have on society or on a specific group of people? Well, this prototype will give universal access to clean water, as well as ensure that all people have access to safe and affordable drinking water. There will be more sanitation and hygiene, and it will improve waste improvement and management and hygiene, especially in rural areas. So it will have more efficiency in the use of water, as well as promote efficiency in industry and domestic consumption. And there will be a protection of aquatic ecosystems and will be conserved and restored.
STEM technology again. Brain composition. Brain about the most important of clean water and sanitation. Biology is health. Studying how our pollution affects human health. English national food. Creates English content for awareness and education. Science of motion. Using motion science to help build the prototype.
What benefits can be obtained by implementing the project? What possible obstacles or challenges can be faced during the implementation of the project? Benefits: improve public health, increase productivity, environmental production, and face quality of life. And the obstacles: make the water not clean if it is too contaminated, community engagement, reuse of materials, change every 5 times the material of the prototype, material limitations, and funding and resources.
The project aims to improve clean water, sanitation, hygiene, education, and community awareness. It also provides technical support for a sustainable system improving health in marginalized communities.
How can the success of the project? Sanitization coverage. Percentage of concrete to improve sanitation facility. Water quality. Quality. Percentage of water sample grading. Quality standards.
What resources, human, material, financial, are needed to implement the project? Human, project manager, engineers, health educators, community workers experts in the topic. Material, cotton, activated carbon, gravel, and water bottle. Financial resources. The money needed to do this prototype is cheap. The cost could be around $178 pesos, depending on the store where material is bought.
The fundamentation is that several people like Melanie side